Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Flawed. Flawed means having or characterized by fundamental weakness or imperfection. For example, flawed crystals. Flawed crystals. Synonyms: unsound, defective, faulty.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Fitz took the archetype of the flawed hero to new extremes. Now, repeat after me. Fitz took the archetype of the flawed hero to new extremes. The second exemplar. It's unusual to have such a flawed hero in a major picture. Now, repeat after me. It's unusual to have such a flawed hero in a major picture. The third exemplar. Crow is stoic and selfless, a perfectly flawed hero worth rooting for. Now, repeat after me. Crow is stoic and selfless, a perfectly flawed hero worth rooting for.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word set has the highest number of definitions in the dictionary. It clocks in at a whopping 464. Can you believe that?
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.